নমস্কার। দেবীপক্ষের প্রথম দিনে সকলকে শারদীয়ার আগাম শুভেচ্ছা জানাই। And for those who are not Bengalis, I wish a happy and peaceful life to you all. May the blessings of Ma Durga always be with you. This month is the month of celebration. Celebration of the biggest festival for the Hindus, that is Durga Puja. And this video is specially relevant to this auspicious occasion. Friends, from the very beginning of human history and civilization, human being has always been keen to know the mystery of creation of himself and of other fellow creatures. He has deciphered so many theories and concepts regarding the creation of this world. People from different religions have set up their own ideas according to their cultures, beliefs, and traditions. Yet we find some kind of similarities between all these different concepts immortalized as mythologies in different religions. One such concept, often talked about regarding the creation of humankind, is the concept of Ardhanarishwar, divine couple. As in Hindu mythology, we find the existence of Purush and Prakriti, Adidev and Adishakti. So in Christian mythology, we find the existence of the first human couple. We call them Adam and Eve. I hope many of you already know this fact. But do you know? According to the Hebrew Bible, the first woman was not Eve. It was Lilith. In today's video, we are going to talk about the first woman, parallel concept of Adishakti. Lilith, according to some Jewish folklore, is considered to be Adam's first wife, who was created at the same time and from the same clay as Adam. Unlike Eve, who was created much more later than Adam from one of Adam's ribs. Lilith was created as equal to Adam and cannot be considered as his subordinate or thought of as the lesser sex or the second sex. Similarly, in the Hindu mythology, the concept of Ardhanarishwar places woman as equal and complementary to her male counterpart. One of the multifarious forms of Adishakti, Goddess Durga, is conceptualized as the savior of this world from the threat of Mahishasura, who was undefeatable by any of the male gods of Hindu pantheon. She was created by assimilating all the energies of all the gods, including the Hindu trinity, comprising Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwar. Lilith was created by God from dust and placed to live in the Garden of Eden with Adam until problems arose between Adam and Lilith when Adam tried to exercise dominance over Lilith. Lilith is often considered as not only the first woman, but as the first independent woman ever created. Although Lilith is a controversial figure, but she has later been used as the symbol of women empowerment by some feminists, just as Goddess Durga is often depicted as the symbol of female power or Nari Shakti. The history of Lilith in a way resembles to another form of the Hindu Adishakti, that is Goddess Kali. Goddess Kali is said to appear at the time when a demon named Raktabij threatened even the gods as he was undefeatable. She, being an independent woman power, defeated the demon, and her extreme energy was pacified by her husband, Lord Shiva. But In spite of being such a self-reliant and dignified character, she is often not given the glamorous position like the other deities in the Hindu canon. She is treated as the goddess of darkness, presiding deity of the tantrics and even the dacoits, just like Lilith, who is also cornered in mythologies and has been relegated to the status of a seductive demoness. As a result of her defiance and for not being submissive to her husband, she has been thrown out of the place of worship by this patriarchal society of ours. But the modern day feminist critics have accepted her as a symbol of women liberation. By accepting Lilith as a symbolic figure to be emulated and admired, modern Jewish feminists have dismissed Eve and the biblical tradition from which both the figures originate. In modern feminist circles, the name Lilith evokes a radical and self-empowering sense of being wholly woman, a woman who is not afraid to be courageous in her defiance of divine law, and in some cases, man-made law. So, we can conclude that the Hindu concept of Adishakti, the independent divine male figure, often termed as Prakriti, in a way coincides with the Christian concept of Lilith, the first independent feminist figure. So friends, in this auspicious day, the first day of Devi Pokho, as we call it, let us celebrate the power of women, equal and complementary to men. Wish you again a happy and peaceful life. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel if you want to know about more such interesting topics, and hit the bell button to get further notifications. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up and share with your friends and families. I'll be waiting for your valuable opinions through your comments.